Let's make the best Nigeria delicious buns ever, shall we? Hello, sweetie. Welcome back to Lady B Kitchen. My old and new subscribers, you are highly welcome. In a clean bowl, add in your all-purpose flour. Before that, we have to stream the flour, then add in the flour inside the streamer. After doing that, this is how it looks. Just take out the streamer. The next we'll be adding is sugar. So we'll be needing sugar on this recipe, so I add in half spoon of sugar. Now I will be adding some salt to taste. The next ingredient I will be adding is baking powder. Next ingredient I will be adding is nutmeg. I will be adding half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Next ingredient is powder milk. So I'll be making use of powder milk. You can as well make use of liquid milk if you have any. So after adding all the ingredients, just give this a very good stir. Now you can add in your egg. So I'll be making use of 1 egg. The next ingredient I will be needing is melted butter. So here I have my melted butter, then I will turn it over. Now I will be adding a little bit of water. So I'll just turn this water, then give it a very good stir. As this process is all about mix, all the ingredients we'll be adding is complete, but now it's all about mix, so have to make sure that we give this a very good mix. After mixing the dough, this is the final look. So now I'm done mixing the dough. Next thing to do is to cover the dough with my kitchen towel. I will covering this for just 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I just come to check on it. This is how it looks. So it's ready by now. You know, we are not making use of yeast on this recipe, so we are not expecting the dough to double its size. So now the dough is ready and it's ready to fry. Now I have my oil on the fire. The oil has been hot for 5 minutes now, so all I will do is to add in the dough inside the oil. So I will just add all of it inside the oil, one after the other. After adding all of it, this is how it looks. So all I will be doing is to turn it over so that the both sides will get fried. I'll be frying this until the body of this gets a golden brown color. So after that, I will take it out from the oil. So all I will be doing now is to make sure that I'm turning it over so that the both sides will get fried. So this will be taking me about 15 to 20 minutes to fry these buns. So my people, just take a good look at these buns after frying for 20 minutes now. Just take a good look at it. The buns is fried and it's ready to go. Just take a good look at this, my people. Now it's time for me to take it out from the oil. It's ready. I'm just going to turn off the gas and take the buns out of the oil. If you enjoyed this simple way of making your buns, please don't forget to check it out and don't forget to try it out. Please, I will appreciate if you try it out, and I will appreciate if you share this recipe. See you in my next one. Bye bye.